So today, we're going to dive into a story that's all about incredible determination and vision. This is the journey of Hassan Ali Sumro, and trust me, it's a masterclass in what happens when you mix passion with just relentless hard work. You know what? Let's just start right at the end with the core message that really defines his entire life. This one idea. This was the engine that powered him through every single obstacle. Just keep this in the back of your mind as we trace his path right from the very beginning. It's so easy to just look at someone's success, right? But to really get it, to understand it, we've got to go way back. So where does a journey of this magnitude actually start? Well, usually it's in the most unexpected and humble places you can imagine. And our story kicks off right there, in his childhood, with dreams that were born in the streets of a small village, where the very first seeds of ambition were planted right in the middle of all these daily challenges. From the get-go, life was just one hurdle after another for him. I mean, while he was playing in the village streets, he had these little dreams, but the reality was that every single day was a new struggle. He figured out really early on that success wasn't going to be something that was just handed to him. And as he got older, you'd think things would get easier, right? Nope. Those challenges didn't just stick around, they got more intense. This journey of hardships pretty much defined his entire teenage years, a constant test of his will to just keep moving forward. Just look at this timeline. It really shows you what he was up against. At just 12 years old, he was already working to help support his family. And every year after that brought not just another birthday, but another layer of struggle, another hard lesson in resilience, another gut check of his resolve. This wasn't just a phase for him. This was his entire childhood. So you gotta wonder, how in the world did he get through all of that, day in and day out? Well, it came down to this powerful little voice inside his head. This self-talk became his lifeline. After every single failure, every setback, he would just remind himself of this one belief, that his situation right now was just temporary, a phase on the path to something way, way bigger. And it was that mindset, that refusal to quit, that carried him into his young adult years. This is when those vague childhood dreams started to get sharp, you know? They crystallized into one single goal, one all-consuming passion. And this is where everything started to shift. It wasn't just about getting by anymore. No, this was about actually building something. Every single day was built around three things: work, learning something new, and, this is the crucial part, actually embracing his mistakes to get better. He was literally forging his own path, one day at a time. This really sums up the battle he was fighting, right? On one side, you've got the world's voice, all the doubt, all the negativity, everyone saying, you can't do it. But on the other side, you have his voice, his own internal resolve, totally unwavering and laser-focused on one powerful goal. And there it is. That's the goal. Not just some vague dream, but a full-on declaration. This was the specific, audacious target that he locked onto. It basically became his North Star, guiding every single decision, every video, and every ounce of effort he had. So with that one goal burning in his mind, he just went all in. He poured everything he had into his work. And that's when it all started to click. That's when all that effort, all that menat, finally started to pay off. And here's the thing. His success wasn't some lucky break. It was a formula. It started with just relentless content creation. But it was more than that. He made a real connection with his audience and poured his genuine passion into every single video. And underneath all of that was this unshakable belief that this process would lead him exactly where he wanted to go. And you know what? It worked. After years of struggle, learning, and creating, he did the impossible. Hassan Ali Somro became the #1 YouTuber in Pakistan. Every single hardship, every single temporary setback, it all led directly to this incredible moment. But here's the cool part. His win wasn't just his win anymore. His journey from the streets of that small village to the absolute top of his field has become this powerful example for millions of people. It's living proof that where you start doesn't have to decide where you finish. So yeah, it's an amazing story, but it's also a kind of roadmap. So what's in it for you? What's the key lesson here? Let's boil this whole incredible journey down to its powerful, simple core. So we're circling right back to where we began, but this quote, it hits different now, doesn't it? It's not just some nice, inspirational line anymore. It's a proven formula. It's the lesson he earned through years of struggle and then validated with incredible success. This is the heart of his message to the world. And that really puts the spotlight back on you, doesn't it? His story is like a mirror. It asks us to look at our own lives and find that one goal, that one dream that's worth all the relentless effort. So, what is it? What's the thing you will hold on to, no matter what obstacles get in your way? Because let's be real, for someone with this kind of fire, hitting a massive goal like that, that's not the finish line. Oh no, that's just the start of the next chapter. The story keeps going with new goals and new ambitions, proving that the journey of growth, it never really ends.